Driven to Trade here, and in this video we're going to answer the question, what is the VIX index? Now when you see VIX, that is a combination of two words, volatility index. Think of it like checking the temperature of the stock market, because the VIX measures the volatility of the market, okay? And there's levels to this, guys. Below 20 is low volatility. This is where we see a calm market with investor complacency, but it can indicate overconfidence or overvaluation. The 20 to 30 range is moderate volatility. This is where investors have a balanced perception of the risk. The market movements are expected, but they're not extreme. But once we get above 30, now we're in high volatility. This is where you see more fear, more uncertainty. When you get above 30, usually we're talking about market corrections or downturns. Above 40, ooh, baby. Now we cooking with grease. This is extreme fear. But usually you don't get this high unless you have a major market event or crisis like the 2008 financial crisis or what happened in 2020, and more recently, what happened just in April of 2025, what they call Liberation Day, where the president announced the tariffs. Now, that day was April 2nd, 2025. But guys, look, 5 days later, the VIX got as high as 60. That mug was up there, okay? People were just, after the tariff announcement, people were losing their shirts. And let me be clear, when the VIX is high and fear is high and uncertainty is high, that does not mean you should not participate in the market, because actually this is a great time to buy stocks that are at a discount for your buy and hold portfolio. But if you're a newbie and you're trying to time price action to do options plays when the VIX is high, good luck to you, baby. All right. And guys, all of these things are things that you need to know and understand. I did not know this stuff until I joined a community of people who knew exactly what they were doing, and they could tell me all of the things to kind of, check for on my checklist of whether or not I was going to trade for the day and how I was going to manage my trading for the day if I decided to participate in the market. If you want to see what I am talking about, all you have to do is go to driventotrade.com, click that second option, and you can take a sneak peek for yourself. Come on over. I'm sure you'll want to stay. All right. I hope to see you on the inside. Bye-bye.